Alright guys, it is like super duper stormy and you probably can't see me. I don't think you can see me. Can you see me? Barely. You can barely see my face. Oh my god. Is that seriously what that is? Huh. Go for it. Okay. I'm recording a video. Huh? I'm recording a video in a storm. Okay. I'll go with my mouth. Okay, bye. No, don't put a hole in your finger.
I feel like it's a fat sausage that needs to be like punctured and exploded. It hurts so bad. I should have taken the ring off and
Alright, well, don't turn on the faucet, whatever you do. But, okay. So y'all need to definitely go check out. I don't know if y'all can see it. Okay, I'm gonna. Y'all should definitely go check out. It's probably on Google Play, but we got the CD of this, and it is amazing. I don't know what I would do without this. I have no clue how to pick this up. Because you can't get the backside dirty or else. That's really hard.
No, it's not filled with actual water. No, it will make it worse. Don't like fingers. What is wrong? It feels like a tough sausage. I feel like I can poke it a couple times and it feels all the way. No, what's gonna leak out? What? No. No. You don't think that I do one time? You don't think so? I'm gonna poke it one time. It's just like when it comes to your fucking finger. It's not liquid in there. What's in here? The muscle and tissue itself is broken, it's swollen.
But you need to go check out this album because if you don't like this album, you're crazy. Because it is. If you like Adele, Water Under the Bridge, you're definitely gonna like the song. And album. Yeah. So definitely go check out the Hold on, you can't see it. Okay, wait a second. No. It's called The New Abnormal. It's called The New Abnormal and The Strokes. So you gotta go check it out on Google Play because we're the only one that have the CD. But there's songs called The Adults Are Talking, Selfless, Brooklyn Bridge, The Chorus, Bad Decisions, Eternal Summer, At the Door. Why are Sundays so depressing? Not the same anymore. To the Mets. I couldn't even read one of these songs, and now I could read all of them. In this crazy, super duper weird font.
She's recording a video.
I'm sure you don't want to be in it. Wait, why? I have to turn both lights on just so they can see me perfectly. But yeah, go check out The New Abnormal. Okay, I'll probably put this in. I don't know how I can put this. I don't know how to put something in a link in the description. But yeah. Jeez, please. So we're gonna do that because it's lightning. We need to go to Bath and Body Works, like, so bad. Because we're gonna get it. Soap. Barely shake it. Look, smell. It doesn't smell like anything because you can smell during cameras. But it smells so good. Wait, what is it called? Oh, it's called warm vanilla sugar. It smells so good. Alright, I'm gonna go add water to this real quick. Oh my. I wish I had it fit the camera. But I am like scared. Scared. I just saw so much lightning. Okay, you might not be able to see me right now because I'm going towards the dark. Yeah, you can just see my head. Okay, that looks creepy. I don't know if you can see, but that's our front door. And it is usually yellow, but it is blue. What do you think is blue? There it goes. There goes the... There goes. Oh my god. It is so, like, blue. Wait, I have to see my camera. It is so blue. It is, like, so blue. Like, y'all don't even know. I don't even think it's picking up on camera. But it is beautiful ocean. Do you hear that? There goes the thunder. It's just like crazy storm. I'm gonna go show you how I woke up. Like, it was really dark outside. I'm like, why is it so dark? But it wasn't as dark as this. I have my lamp on me. But look. It was that dark. And I'm like, what the heck? Oh, there goes the rain. So my lamp wasn't on, and it wasn't really that dark. So I was sitting here sleeping, and I heard this big boom because I didn't know I was awake. Like, I thought I was going to go back to sleep. So I was like, oh, why is there a big boom? And I'm like, oh. And then I wake up, and then I see lightning, and I'm like, well, that's just my vision. And then I hear a boom, and I'm like, thunder, run! So yeah, it was hilarious. But I'm not sure what I'm gonna do now because, it's just a nightmare. Nightmare. I don't know what to do. Do you hear that? I'm pretty sure y'all hear that. And then, like, at least 20 minutes ago, at least 15 minutes ago, we had these big, large booms. Like, it was crazy. We had just, like, y'all know what it, you guys know. When it's a really bad storm and the weather says on my tablet, it says 10 a.m. And then 10 a.m. rainy, thundering, lightning. Oh, there goes the lightning again. What are you doing? I don't know what's going on. I know what's going on. Okay, I'm just going to tell you the whole story while everyone is, like, so emotional and everyone's so like, oh, are you okay? What's going on? What are you doing? So, yesterday at my grandma's, my cousin, Junior, tried to teach my mom how to catch and play catch, which I think she had played catch when she was a kid. So, did I wipe my mouth at all? So they were playing catch, and apparently she caught the football, and her ring finger went like this. and jammed into the ball really hard. And my other cousin Ethan, he said her face, the pain went through her face so much that her face turned white. What's wrong?
Nothing, my finger hurts.
Her face turned white. She just held her on like this. She just held her on like this. And like, did the power just go out? No, I'm stupid. The power would be out if the lights just flickered. I'm not sure. So we're trying to help her to not lose her finger because, of course, she doesn't take off the ring immediately. And now she might have to go to the hospital so they can cut her ring off. I don't know how that's gonna work. Yeah, so that's what we're going through right now. Why am I staring at the time? I'm like, okay, I have 1 more minute of sleep. I'm just gonna stare here at the time until it changes. Because I have 2 minutes. I need 1 minute. And I go, and I'm like, wait, what time is it? Because our thing is messed up. Our thing is messed up. So, I don't know if y'all can see that far away, but yeah. I want to play another, but I can't. Wait, but I can't. But I can't because. Oh! But I can't because I have. My thing just said that. Because I have sunburn all around my lips and all on my face and all on my forehead. And look, I'm super tanned. Look, I'm super tanned. Look, I'm sure about like, I'm super tanned. Like, this is my original skin tone. No, this is my, that right there is my original skin tone for my chocolate right there. And then this is my tan skin tone. Like, you can tell the difference, like, not tan, not tan. So it is. Can you be quiet, Fridge? It is like a big deal. So I'm glad I didn't go around today because it is raining and apparently they said it's 10. At 10 it's going to be raining and thundering, and then at 2 it's going to be cloudy and sunny, and then at 5 and 6 and at 10 it's going to be the moon and cloudy, and then 6 a.m. the next day still cloudy and sunny. Like, what? This is why I say Houston is trash. That's your number 1 thing. Houston is trash. Second, Texas, y'all need to fix something about that. Somebody has to stop guarding on us and crying on us and yelling at us. What are you doing? Are you cutting Daddy's shirt?
This isn't Daddy's.
What shirt are you cutting?
I have sharper scissors.
I'm sure I'm so stressed out. I don't even know how stressed out I am. I never ever filled water in this. Why did I do that? I'm gonna do that right now. Alright, I just got back. I'm too short for this island. I'm way too short for this island, but when it comes to water sports, they're pretty. Oh my god, this is so hard. Like, what the heck? I can record a 19-minute video and it's been 15 minutes, so I think I'll end it here. I just have to show you this picture I made my father's underneath. And this bracelet. I made him this bracelet. So there's the ice cream that I colored. There it is. I don't know if you can see it. Ice cream. And then, yeah, I'm gonna play with my Barbies next, don't worry. So yeah, I have to do this real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my outro. Anyways guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. And go check out the new Umbrella. Try to link it in the description below. So yeah. Bye guys.